Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa, and it's definitely been a hot minute since I've been here on YouTube, but I thought what a better way to come back than to show you guys a room makeover. I decided to go ahead and take you guys along the journey of me changing my room up into more of like a vintage retro feel. In the past, I used to do like very earthy wood textures, leaves, plants, and all that kind of stuff, so we're definitely changing up the vibes in here, and I will walk you guys through the process of me changing up my room. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. This is just a quick little before of what my room used to look like. Again, like I mentioned, very leafy and green, and around this time I was already halfway through the decluttering process, so I have a bunch of stuff laying around, all in boxes, a bunch of stuff everywhere. So this dresser that you see in front of me was actually a gift from my boyfriend. I am all about the practical gifts nowadays, but since he gifted this to me, that's the whole reason why I decided to redo my whole room. So my plan here is to move everything from my shelf into this dresser, so I can consolidate everything and just have more space for other things in my small room. So through the years, I've definitely collected a lot of stuff. I'm the type of person that kept all my notes throughout college in case I would need them for a later class, but definitely turns out I didn't need to do that, and I recently graduated, so I ended up throwing all those papers away. And then I'm just reorganizing all of the stuff that was in my shelves and in my vanity, and just organizing all of that through all my 6 drawers. Just got my package today for my clothing rack. I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and assemble this together. I'm planning on putting it right here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a fully functional clothing rack. Can I just say that the freaking instructions aren't even labeled? Like, each of these rods do not correlate with any of these letters. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I guess you didn't really need it, but for someone that doesn't really know how to put stuff together, you might find it kind of challenging, so just follow the pictures. So later that night, after my clothing rack was built, I attempted to move this bookshelf by myself because that's where I wanted to place the clothing rack at, but it was way too heavy, so I had to call in my sister to help me out. She wasn't strong enough to lift it, so we ended up switching, so clearly we know who has the stronger upper body strength in the family. But yeah, she definitely helped me out with moving this shelf, and we ended up doing it ourselves. You can see my dad's hand popping in to try to help us, but no, we got it. We got it. After that, I was able to set up my clothing rack in that little corner, and I think it's perfect. So the next day, I took down all the leaves on my wall so that I can have a blank canvas for when I start my collage photo wall thing. And then here you see me taking down this old tapestry that I had. I always have this here in the summertime because I have to cover my window right there because so much sunlight gets in that it gets way too hot in my room. So I have to have something to cover it. Guys, my good vibes only sign came in. I'm so excited. And it's so cute. I am obsessed with this sign. It looks so cute. It's so me. Good vibes only. Super cute. I can't wait to put this up. Okay, so here's the wall that we're working with. I'm going to be putting my cute neon sign right in the middle. And then I bought some collage pictures off Amazon that are already pre-selected. And I think they really go with the vibe. It's really like retro style, vintage kind of photos. And I'm going to be incorporating that with some of my own personal photos. So we're going to put the neon sign in the middle and then the collage pictures on the side. So let's get started. So what I ended up doing for my collage wall is I did this staggered effect. So I did 2, 3, 4, 3, and then 2, and then my neon sign goes right in the middle. After that, I added these faux vines along the line or the border of my wall just to add a little bit of life and color up there just because it was looking a little bare. Behold guys, this is my dresser. So I tried to organize it a little bit when my boyfriend first got it for me, but it's sort of a mess right now since I'm still kind of in the works of cleaning up my room. So there's a bunch of random things laying around. So the goal today is just to organize it and make it as minimalistic as possible and functional as possible. I'm planning on leaving some vintage vinyl records on top as decor, like at the very top. I'll hang it up. So that's why I need to clear out the space first to make it look a little bit cleaner. So yeah, let's get into it. Thrift store and I looked through all the vintage vinyl records area and I found some really cool ones. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Third one, which I really like the font right here. And then this one, it says Disco Party. So I feel like it totally ties into like the whole collage wall and also like the neon lights. And I feel like all of these go with the theme so well. So we are going to hang this up and space this out along my dresser and see how it looks like.
Whoa, these days, it's not easy.
So this is how my dresser is looking like with these right on top. And I feel like it looks so good. Such a vibe. It is such a vibe. So this is just a blank wall here. There's nails in the wall because there used to be 2 shelves here. But what I'm going to do is replace it with 2 picture frames and some Polaroids. so that pretty much wraps it up for the end of today's video. I really hope you guys liked this new room makeover. I am totally obsessed with my new room. I love the neon lights and the vibes in here. If you saw anything that you liked in the video, everything will be linked down below in the description box. So while you're down there, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and stay tuned for new DIY and room makeover videos coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!